What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I want to talk about Earndrop Alpha and their new application that they've just recently brought out, which helps people track if they are eligible for airdrops or not, which I think is a really cool idea. So I wanted to share it with you guys, especially for you airdrop hunters out there. It's just a way to keep yourself much more organized in the airdrop world, because we know one of the most difficult things about trying to get yourself eligible for airdrops is trying to track everything. It's trying to keep track of all the different projects that you're trying to get eligible for airdrops for. All the different blockchains, having to note it down and then keep everything in order. Now, with this new application that these guys have got, literally all you're gonna have to do is maybe keep your notifications on in their Discord server, so you can find out when some of the airdrops are going to be happening, and then simply use their application and see if your wallet address is eligible for the airdrop or not. So this is their website. So the first time you use it, instead of seeing dashboard here, because I'm signed in now, you see like a sign up or login button, and it's just as simple as clicking on that, creating your new account, with an email address, password, and then once you've made that, it will ask you to enter your wallet address. Now these guys do have a free version, so anybody can use it, and on that free version you'll be able to register up to 2 different wallets. So you can have 2 different wallets which will be tracked by their application, and even give you email notifications when you have some unclaimed airdrops. So yeah, once you've signed up and once you've entered your wallet address in there, it's as simple as that. It's done, and then every time that your wallet that's being tracked is eligible for an airdrop, you'll get an email notification. I do advise also joining their Discord server. These guys have the most up-to-date, the most detailed Discord server dedicated to airdrops out there. It's a really cool place, a really cool community where they talk about all the different upcoming airdrops across the whole DeFi world, especially the new layer 2 blockchains that are coming up at the moment. And yeah, I definitely recommend joining that if you're not already a part of it. So yeah, if we just go over onto pricing, because like I was saying before, they do offer a free version so anybody can use it, where you can monitor 2 different wallets. But as you can see here, they do have 2 paid versions as well. And what those paid versions will get you, they will get you the Earndrop Alpha protocols, which we'll go over in a second, and also free access to free and expired airdrops. And then the highest tier will also get you a role to get into their Alpha Discord channel as well, which will be like a kind of little secret channel in their Discord server. So if we just go on to Earndrop Alpha here, this is what you'll be getting if you get the paid version. As well, it was saying there that on the first version you can track up to 8 wallets, and then the second one up to 15 wallets. That's the first thing that you get extra. But then this is the Earndrop Alpha protocol which I was talking about, and basically what it does, it shows you all the upcoming protocols and blockchains that don't have a token yet and that are most probably going to have a token in the future. And so it lists them all here, and it also has basically a step-by-step instruction guide to how you can qualify yourself and make yourself eligible for the airdrop in the future, which is really helpful as well, rather than having to go on YouTube, watch 5-6 different videos, or read a few different blog articles to try and find out what to do. And most of that stuff is just speculation. You don't know if you're actually going to be eligible for the airdrop or not. And so I just thought this is a really cool application that these guys have come out with, and I've seen something like this before, and I think it could definitely bring some value to some of you guys that like hunting airdrops. And so as always guys, thanks for listening. Please subscribe, come join the Discord server, and until next time, bye.